Hello and welcome to Motor Match Stockport. My name's Daniel and I'm pleased to present you with this gorgeous Mercedes-Benz A-Class A200d AMG line. Now this vehicle is currently on 65,085 miles and it's had two previous owners from new. It's finished in the colour Mountain Grey Metallic, and if you'd like more information please give us a call on 0161 885 0358. Now taking a look around the vehicle here, starting at the front you have your halogen headlights with daytime running lights. There in the centre you have your diamond grille with the Mercedes badge in the centre. Now around to the side, it does sit very nicely on 18-inch alloy wheels with the AMG badging on. You have your indicator integrated into the door mirror and you have a nice chrome strip along the bottom of the windows for nice detailing. Take a look inside here at the rear. You have very smart part leather sport seats. You have nice red contrast stitching for a sporty feel. The right ISOFIX points so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle and be sure it's safely secured in for peace of mind. And there's also rear air conditioning vents so rear passengers can benefit from the air conditioning as well. Here at the rear you have your A200d badging on the boot. Now to open up the boot, you have plenty of storage space. You can easily fit a weekly shop in there. You have some net storage at the sides as well as tethering points so you can take any loads down if you need to. You also have a tyre repair kit underneath the boot floor, which is very handy. You get a flat tyre. You have a handle up top, allowing you to easily close the tailgate. Now let's take a look inside at the front of the vehicle. You have your leather flat bottom multifunction steering wheel there. You've got nice metal finish on it. And you have your front sport seats here. You do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable in this vehicle. And now that we've had a look around, I'm going to take you inside and show you some of the key features that this vehicle has to offer. So hopping in and starting on the driver's door, you have your electric mirror adjustments. These allow you to quickly make adjustments to the mirrors so you can see clearly to the rear. It's also handy when parking as you can put the mirrors down to check you're in the lines or next to the curb when parallel parking. You also have your electric window switches there for the front and rear windows, as well as a lock for locking the rear windows if you don't want rear passengers to put them down. Here on the dashboard you'll find your automatic headlight switch, so when set to auto you don't have to worry about turning them on. They'll turn on when necessary, allowing you to keep focused on the road. You do have some steering wheel controls, and here on the left you can access your digital display here in between the instrument cluster. You can access your driving assist features with your collision prevention assist that can detect potential hazards ahead and emergency brake if necessary to keep you safe. You can also access your standard trip computer with your miles to the gallon, and you also have a digital speedometer there as well. You have your indicator stalk here along with your wipers. You have your front and rear wipers there that you can make adjustments to. Now here in the centre you have your infotainment screen, and on it you can access your FM and AM radio. It's very easy to find and tune your favourite stations to the vehicle. You can scroll through using this scroller here along with the buttons to control the screen. You can scroll through to different stations to find the one you prefer and then save it so it's always available to you. Here you can access your AM radio as well, and you can also change settings for the information on the radio, such as travel updates. You can also connect your own source of audio. You do have Bluetooth as well as USB connectivity, and there's also a CD player and SD, making it very easy to play your own source of audio. You do also have your Bluetooth telephone connectivity. It's very easy to connect your device up. You can do it from the phone or from the vehicle itself to connect up and pair your device. You also have some vehicle settings as well you can access. You have your dynamic select information along with some vehicle settings here such as your ambient lighting brightness and location illumination. You also have a reverse camera that's activated when you select reverse, and as you can see you do have guidelines that move when you steer the vehicle so you can be sure you're heading in the right direction of the space you want. Below here you have some buttons including your dynamic select. This changes how the vehicle performs and handles depending on your driving mood. When you change the settings, it's displayed on the infotainment screen. As you can see, you have comfort, sport, individual and eco. It's very easy to set up whichever you prefer, and you can adapt your individual for your own preferences to this. You also have a button there for turning on or off your start-stop. Below here you have your dual zone climate control that allows the driver and passenger to make their own preferred temperature choices. It prevents any arguments on being too hot or too cold, allowing everyone to travel comfortably in the vehicle on their side. You can set it up as well with your zone. You can turn it off to set the same temperature throughout the vehicle as well. Thanks for watching this video on the Mercedes-Benz A-Class A200d AMG line. This vehicle is part of the Motor Match promise that includes a minimum 30-day or 1,000-mile warranty, whichever is sooner. You do have RAC extended warranty of up to 3 years available, along with flexible finance packages available as well. All Motor Match vehicles are subject to a £150 admin fee, which covers the provenance check. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358.